Hey guys, welcome back to Emmanuel channel, high speed mining. Welcome back, guys. So today we got something special for you guys. We're gonna go through to everything on this video. It's gonna be to the Ergo, and we're gonna do from mining all the way to Zero Wallet. Everything you're gonna see is I'm gonna do everything through to the whole system, because Ergo Wallet is not on the circle on the or any of the Exodo wallet. That's the one I've been using it to do some of the tests I've been doing it. And today we're just gonna go over the Ergo, and we're gonna start with the miner. I'm gonna use today Nano Pull. Just my preferred to using it. I'm gonna go with Nano Pull, you guys, to show you. Also, you can get the software from them, and we can get everything through to them. And first thing first, we're going to the regular basic is Antivirus. You can do anything. If you're a newbie or you're a new person just trying to start mining, and you're gonna go first after Ergo. This is the way you go first. Is you never touch anything, so we go first is like normally we do, and we're gonna go to Antivirus. It's eventually located right here. You can see it, it's located right there, and we just got it over here. We double click and we open it. I got some stuff over here, but normally I don't update my stuff, and that's why. Okay, so we click right here on the antivirus protection and stuff like that. We click on it, then we're gonna go everything right here. We're not gonna touch none of that stuff. We're just gonna looking for virus and threat protection setting. We're gonna go over here. We're not gonna touch the right time protection. We need to keep this on just in case somebody try to enter a computer. Cloud delivery protection, if you need it, you just leaving it on. Automatic sample submission, just leaving it on, and timer protection, just leaving it on. The only thing we're gonna modify from the antivirus is where we're gonna start is our mining program, and where we're gonna download the mining program. So we, like in my previous videos, we just go right here, miner control for the assets. Not to that one. We're just gonna go to exclusion, because we're gonna exclude some of the folder. What we're gonna do is we go to app. And then I already got some of them right here because I got different programs over here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna look for this little button gonna say add an exclusion. Okay, first exclusion we're gonna do. Sorry, we go to the exclusion and then we go for folder to the folder option. Click on it. Now, after we get right here, I don't know which folder anybody using it to download the program. People use different folder. You're gonna select the folder you use to download your program or download anything from the internet. So in my case, I use a download. I will keep that one at default. That's a normally one. Click on it, and you click and select, and that's it. I'm just gonna cancel. I already got this folder select. You just click and select, and it's gonna send this. It's just gonna show right here. Now we gotta add a second folder. The second folder is what you're gonna make. You're gonna make a external folder where you're gonna keep your programs. You're gonna keep your program on that folder. And what we're gonna do is I already make a folder. I think I make two already in the last two previous video. So what we're gonna do is we go back to exclusion. We're looking for the folder. Then we just go into the desktop section. We click on desktop right here. Click on it, and we're just gonna go all the way to the desktop side. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Right here you can see I got these two folders, and I'm making it because I was doing show you on my previous videos. But what we're gonna do is I'm not gonna make any more folder. We just go second click, we go to new, and we create a new folder. After you create that new folder, you're gonna check, you put the name you want in that folder or anything you wanna do. What you gotta do is just click the folder and click select. After you done that, and you're good to go. You just cancel because I don't need to make it. I already got my folder making it. And after you that, you just come back over here and you just close the antivirus, and that's it. You're done with the antivirus. You don't need to do anything else. That's all you need to be done. Now, sorry for the motorcycle. Now the next one we're gonna do is go get on miner software. Everything is gonna be on the link description below, so I'm gonna leave all the link for the download file directly to the GitHub, because that's it's most of the place I trust for any program we use. And what we're doing is we're just going right here. I already got my stuff ready open it. And first of all is because we're using Nano Pull, I'm gonna use their own miner. Now, two things. If you're using the new Nvidia graphic card, like 30 series and up, or any of the 20 series and up, you're gonna need this one. But we recommend you guys to get this one anyway. Just get the CUDA 11, and after you just click on it, you're just gonna download. My antivirus is not gonna see it because the program, we decided antivirus to not see the program. And now we already got it download. We minimize this. Then we're gonna go to the download folder. Click on it. We go to download folder. Already the folder is already excluded. You guys can see I already download the program already. What we're gonna do is, after we download the program, we click over here, second click like normally. Then we're gonna go to extract all. When you click extract all, you know the rest. You just click extract, and it's gonna extract right here. Or you can go browser, and you just go to your desktop. Then you go to your folder, whatever folder you just got a name, and the folder, remember, it's the folder we use with the antivirus, the one we protected, do the protection with the antivirus, so that way the antivirus is not gonna delete the program. So remember that it's that folder only. Those two folders are only gonna be allowed. The antivirus is gonna allow this program to run from them. Okay. So for example, at the folder, new folder, and just click on it, select, and it's gonna. And what it's gonna do, you click extract, it's gonna extract that program into that folder, whatever you just put. Alright, so I don't need to know none of that stuff. Second stuff is the main stuff. We need, after we got our program, we need a wallet. We cannot continue with the program. We cannot continue with the program without the wallet. So second thing we're gonna do is we go back. You guys can see I was looking for the wallet. One thing I would like to looking for any wallet is the GitHub wallet. I don't like to go any other place to get my wallets. And let's see if it was on this one. It's not sure over here. I know I get it from different location. Okay, so this is the GitHub Ergo Wallet, the default one. This is gonna be in the description below. And you just need, for Windows, you just need this one right here. It's gonna be 63 total, 63 megabyte. And next thing we're gonna do with this is we're gonna install it. We just click on this right here. Sorry guys, click on that one, and it's gonna download the wallet. It's gonna re-download for me again, and because it's in the folder, it's not gonna be an issue. And we just click open. Yep, only for me on the test PC. Install. We just wait for the installation to finish. Okay, run the Ergo Wallet. You say yes. Alright, so we already got everything right here, and then we're gonna create a new wallet. If you got one system, you just import the system one over here, but we're gonna create a one for our purpose. Create a wallet. Let's put this PC. That's what I'm gonna call it. It's gonna ask me for a password, something simple. I'm just gonna put a, and we just go to the game. We do the same password again. We click continue. Now we gotta remember we need all this. What I'm gonna do, normally what I do is this. I copy it all. Control C, and then we just open this boy over here. Control B. I already got it over here. That's a recovery. If somebody want to recover this wallet, you can recover. I don't have no problem with that. You click over here, understand, continue, and then it's gonna ask me to put the key on the right location. So what we're gonna do is the first one is the ORIC, the next one is Vapor, third one is Brick, the next one will be Limbers, the following one is gonna be on Fair, then we follow with the Release, and then we go with Famous, and then we go Rome, and then we go Parent, and then we go to the live, degrees, and memory. We confirm, and our wallet is ready to go. That's all we need. We just put back the password we just created to the wallet, and we click open, and that's it. We got our wallet ready set up. That's how simple you can set up a wallet. It says nothing on it. Now, why we need a wallet? We need, like a normal we need our address. To receive, we go to address. To receive anything we need, and close the window. Alright, so this is a wallet. Let's see, wallet. This is the first time, guys, I'm using this wallet, so maybe we're gonna figure out everything over here on spam. Now, Ergo, we need to receive Ergo. Send. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see all this is all receiving. All this right here is the receiving wallet address. So we just gonna click into. So we got this one, and we click on this one right here. Click on that one. That's gonna be you. Sorry. Copy this one, the first one, and each your address change it. Things change anytime. So we just copy this one, and now that's what we need for when we're gonna minimize the program. We're gonna minimize this, and remember we got the program already downloaded, so that's what we need. Closing this program, I don't need that one. Then we go over here. That's what I keep it on my program for anything. Then we're gonna looking for Nano Miner. You can see I got both of the Nano Miner, so we're just looking for Nano Miner window CUDA. If you got 30 series graphic card, you're gonna need this one. Alright, so we go over here. Now you got this see different. I already got the Ergo configuration, and it's 1 config over here. First the way is we're gonna rename this one, and we're just gonna add the number 1. Alright, and now we're gonna go to the Ergo side. We're gonna edit the program, and we're gonna change this wallet over here to the same one we just grabbed from the wallet, and we're gonna click save. And now we go back over here. We're gonna rename the program. What we're gonna do is over here, after we see it like this, we just click over here, and we're just gonna delete Ergo dash, and we're gonna leave it on config. That's what we need, only in that, and just simple in that you got your program ready set up. The last and the ending part of this is just we click over here, Nano Miner, we double click, and we just wait, and right there we got Ergo Wallet just running. You guys can see it. I already got all my stuff running, so just simple in that you already start mining. We're gonna give you like probably about 2 or 3 minutes, and then we're gonna go to Nano Mining. Still generating the DAG file. I can see it. Alright, now we're going back to our stuff. Okay, you gotta wait 1 second. Alright, sorry guys. Okay, and now we're going to Nano Pull. Okay, then we go over here. Then we got everything. We go to the Ergo Pull. Sorry, we go to pull information. If I'm wrong, that's right here. Nope, that's the thing. I love to do this through to the video. That's nice sometimes. Okay, so we're going to Nano Pull. Ergo. Okay, so here we are. What we gotta do right here, if you wanna see if we are mining to that address. Sorry guys, is I see it. Okay, give me 1 second. Alright, sorry guys. Well, what happened was my computer was doing mining, so it was mining compound and also was mining Ergo at the same time. Something I can do in it. Sometimes it's nice to do in it, but it's okay. So we are back, and you guys can see in it total speed was 35, because what happened is it's a little trick. You guys know you can do a mine compound with the same graphic card, and you can mine Ergo on the same thing. That's with the Ergo share graphic card. If nobody know that, you can do a mining. You guys can see now we start getting a mega hash coming out of these ones right here, and it's gonna keep going up. And we just gotta wait into window, boot it up back again. Oh, look at my. I'll be back in a second. I gotta wait for my window to. Alright guys, so I just reboot the program a little bit, and let's say we didn't do anything else. We're still mining. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reinitialize this. I wanna see how many really mega hash we're doing in that one. Okay. Alright. Into that, we're just gonna see if we are mining to the address. We just click over here to look for the address. Reshow. And it's gonna say not found yet. That's fine. That chico find at least should we find at least 1 share, so that means still not finding anything. What we're gonna do is we go over here and we're just gonna see. Okay, so we got 1 share already set, so that means we're good to go. I don't know which one of the GPUs is doing it, but we got 1. Okay. I'm just gonna leave this running and I'll be back guys, so I'm just gonna leave it running for a little while. Alright guys, so after we just waiting about 10 minutes, I think that's what we had to wait, and we're just gonna go. I already got a page over here, the wallet, and what you just gotta do is just press reshow, just put your sample. Let me delete this. You gotta do just second click, and you just copy the same wallet address we use, paste over here, get reshow. Now you got officially you are mining Ergo, and I'm sorry for the delay, but I had to wait until the pool show me we really are mining. This is gonna go little by little. It's gonna keep this is gonna keep increasing right here, and it's right here later on gonna show how many mega hash we got, how many we've been doing it so far. This is said we are 10 mega hash, and we got 700 set. Sure, so right now we are between 120 to 10, so that's gonna depend, that's gonna go changing and stuff like that. And guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to press that little subscribe button before you're leaving, and don't forget it, please. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.